Every single person in this gymnasium matters. You matter. You're significant. You are just as important as anyone else on this planet. You matter. 8 billion people in the world, and you get to be one of them. If there was no reason for you to be here, you wouldn't be here. You were chosen and picked and created to do something in this universe that's never been done before, that's never been seen before. You matter. You're significant. Your life is invaluable. You have something inside of you that this world has never seen. You're valuable. I don't care what anybody has ever said to you. You are significant. You are important. You matter. You matter. You have to believe that. You have to embrace that. You have to hug that. You have to grab onto it. You got to latch onto it. You matter.